Blessed day to all of us, and let's glorify God today. Many of us feels bored in life. We think nothing is happening, no opportunities are coming, and everything just feels so quiet right now. But the opposite can also be dangerous, isn't it? Because sometimes being busy or too busy, it can be one of the enemy's strategies in our life. The enemy doesn't always tempt us with obvious sin. Sometimes this is his way to distract us by filling our lives with constant activity. And when we are always moving, rushing things, this is the time that we lose our time to reflect. We forget what truly matters. We forget what is right. And slowly, we find ourselves that we stop listening to God. You see, too much busyness can silence our prayer. It can replace wisdom with noise. And yes, it is true. Being busy, we can make ourselves too productive, but it can also make us spiritually empty. God did not call us in this world to rush through things in our life. He calls us to rest, to slow down, to remember that we belong to Him, we belong to God. So, dear brothers and sisters, don't be afraid of those quiet moments. Don't try to fill those empty space with activity. Make room for God, because a life without reflection slowly forgets what is right. And God reminded us in Psalm 46:10. He said, "Be still and know that I am God." Hope this helps, and thank you for listening. To God be the glory.